Hello relayers, my name is Sandra Jacobs. I'm from Nelspruit and I've been involved with the Nelspruit Relay since it started quite a number of years ago. I'm also involved with the Inibos National Arts Festival, which I think gives me quite a bit of experience in terms of events. I've been asked to give you just a short talk on the importance of the JOC, or the Joint Operational Centre of the event. Now, if you think of relay as a human body, I would say that the head is Cansa, the Cancer Association. The hands are the committee. The feet are the teams participating. The heart is our survivors and the ceremonies that we do at relay. But the backbone of the event is the JOC. JOC is dotting the I's, crossing the T's. It means that with every event you have to have a certain plan in place to make sure if something goes wrong, everything will run smoothly. Because if the backbone isn't there, the whole body can collapse. So I'm sure you will be discussing this in detail now, but the JOC would entail getting all the necessary permissions from the municipality, involving the traffic department if necessary, making sure that you have sufficient fire protection, making sure that water and electricity is provided and protected, having a plan B if there should be a medical emergency. So all these things are important. The safety of your tents, the safety of your stage structure, all these things can make your event fail or succeed. And that is why the JOC is extremely important at any relay event. Enjoy the rest of your summit. Thanks. Bye.